Good morning, baby. How did you sleep? Not too cold out. Good, good. Come here a little closer. I need my morning cuddles. That's better. Don't you think? No, it's still going. But it's a little calmer, so let's hope it'll die down completely. And then we continue our drive as soon as possible. I know, baby. I'm just scared that something might happen. I mean, I trust my driving skills, and I have driven in bad weather before. It's just with you in the car. I just don't want anything bad to happen to you. Well, yes, and me too, of course. Do you have any ideas of what you would like to do while we wait? We should probably eat something too. We packed some food yesterday, right? Okay. I'll go grab our packs from the car and I'll take a look. Hopefully make something edible out of the stuff we've got. Sound good? I'll be right back. Jesus. So foggy and windy. We're definitely not going anywhere driving yet. Just. Let's see. Yeah, there they are. I hope we've got something I can actually cook or heat up for us at the very least. I don't remember what we packed at all. God, I hope the storm dies down soon. Fuck, it's so cold out there. True. But here, let's go through what we did pack. We've got bread and peanut butter, some candies and other snacks. I could make us peanut butter sandwiches. How's that? And maybe hot cocoa, since we have chocolate as well. I'll have to use water though. Is that okay? Great. Then let's see if there's a fireplace safe kettle around here for me to actually be able to make it. Aha! Found ya. Alright. You can wait at the table with the chocolate and the water. I'll go get some more wood for the fireplace. We're gonna need to get the flames really going for this to work. What was that? No, you can just relax and cozy up there. Thank you, though. Yes, honey. Oh, sure. You make breakfast for us every morning. It's my turn now. Different setting, though, but still. Are you sure the water's fine? Alright, we can add the cocoa then. Or I could make some other warm drink if that's what you prefer. Alright, if you're sure. Alright, let's get it all. Then over the fireplace to heat it up. Then we cut the chocolate. We add some water in a third cup, and increase chocolate, which needs to be added while stirring gently. Finally, we add the rest of the hot water to the mix. What? You don't like me narrating the steps like Gordon does? Fair, he's got the accent. Well, how about I hum then? How dare you mock my humming skills? I know, sweetheart. It's okay. How about you listen to the crackling by the fireplace then while I finish up the breakfast? Alright, deal. How you feeling? That's good. And it seems that the storm has died down too, so I think we should definitely hit the road soon. Yeah, we should pack all our stuff first. Then I cleaned up after we ate. Yeah, come on. Let's go, sweetheart. Hit the road. Seatbelt, honey. Hey, honey. How are you feeling about yesterday? It doesn't bother you anymore, right? I'm still really sorry about what I said. Are you sure? Yeah, it has been bothering me. I never want to hurt you or snap at you. I just feel bad. I know we made up and all. I just feel bad for lashing out like that. I mean, about your friend, I know how hard breakups can be, especially if you've been cheated on, and all my friends were there for me, including you. And here I am lashing out because you do the same for someone else. And for what? Because I was frustrated and scared, but that's not an excuse. Maybe you're right. Maybe I'm just overthinking things, and we're alright now, but again, I didn't mean it. If she needs you, then it's more than okay that you're there for her, even if we've made some plans which changed because... It's Mom. Do you want to answer it and put it on speakerphone? Hey, Ma. Yeah, we're on our way right now. Is everything ready? Do you need any help? Alright, we'll see you soon then, yeah? Yeah, we love you too. Bye for now. Guess we should get going then, huh? Yeah, of course you can. You don't need to ask. You can put on the radio, whatever you want. But if I may suggest something... Christmas music? This is the mood and all. But only if it's okay. And if you want to listen to it, it can be a little annoying sometimes when it's repeated over and over. Great. You want to press the doorbell? No reason. Just thought you might want to do it. Hey, Ma. Thank you. Oh, it looks so cozy in here with the tree and the lights. Where's Dad? Alright. How are things with you guys? You sure you don't need any help with setting things up or last minute touches or something? No, we don't need to look at my childhood pictures, Ma. No, you have seen them so many times already. We can do something else if Mom really doesn't need any help. How about we watch some Christmas shows? I know we do it every year, but that's like the whole point. The Grinch, right? Because, baby, I know you all too well. I'll put it on. There we go. You want to get closer to cuddle up? That's better. Hmm. Yeah, sure, Ma. You go on ahead, baby. I'll join you in a second. Hey, Dad. The food's ready. No, it's alright. Is everything okay? Okay. Yeah, I can hear Mom getting impatient already. It smells so good in here. So hungry. Hey, baby. Yeah, of course. I was scared too, thinking we won't make it, but I'm glad that's not the case. Merry Christmas. Here's your plate, baby. Delicious meal as always. It's a shame this year too, though, that the whole family couldn't make it. Also, Ma, thank you for letting us use the cottage yesterday. It was kind of scary, but we made it. Yeah, me too. Dad, I told you guys we don't need anything. Yeah, no shit. You wanna unwrap it, baby? Oh. Wow, thanks, guys. What do you mean? It's a painting of the both of us. And this watch, this brand could not have been cheap at all. Oh, thank you. We love it. Maybe? Well, I need to admit that we got something for you guys, too. Yeah, whatever. Here. Yes, sir. It's a radio player for your workshop. Or wherever you want to use it, really. I remember you wanting this one when we last saw each other, and the both of us chipped in to get it for you. You don't have to say anything, we know. And this one's for you, Ma. She wanted to get you some jewelry. I don't really know much about jewelry. And the books are from me, since you love reading so much. The photo album is for new memories and new pictures, so you'd have a place to store them. You're welcome. Hey, I need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back, okay? Yeah, I'll just be a minute. Alright. I think it's time. Deep breaths. Why am I so nervous? I mean, it's not like I'm asking the absolute love of my life to marry me and spend the rest of her life with me or anything. Maybe I should have talked this over with Dad beforehand. I mean, he proposed to Mom after all. No backing down anymore. This is it. Get out there and do it. Yeah, that'll have to do. Deep breaths. One more time. Hey, I'm back. And, can I get everyone's attention, please? Everything's fine. I just, Baby. Yesterday made me realize something. Even in a storm, and even when things don't go as planned, there is no one else I would rather be with. You are my home and my safe space. I've been the happiest that I've ever been for the longest of times since we got together. You've always been there for me in my most vulnerable moments ever, whenever I was stressed or otherwise. Even when I broke up with my ex, you proved that you were there for me before everyone else. We've had our ups and downs, but I really, really love you. And I hope you know that. And now that everyone that I love and hold close to my heart is here with us, I'm gonna go down on one knee and open this box and have one more question for you. Baby, sweetheart, love of my life. Would you marry me? Honey, are you crying? Is that a yes? Give me your hand. There. Come here. I love you too. Yeah, I was planning on this since the beginning. The storm almost ruined this moment. Don't worry about that. You deserve it. And more. Yeah, thanks, Ma. Dessert sounds lovely. Thanks, Dad. And Honey, I can't wait to start this new chapter of our lives together. Merry Christmas. I love you so much.